Cheers.
This is the only sound that we heard all weekend. Happy Friday, y'all. Chateau Elan. Oh my goodness. Doing a recap of this weekend getaway is honestly going to make me cry because I am truly going to want to go back and relive every moment of it. This property is a winery and a resort, and it's located in Georgia. And I'm honestly not here to convince you to go. I'm just simply here to brag about my experience, and you could do whatever you want with that information. Now let's get started because we have a very busy weekend itinerary with wine tasting, cooking class, and more. And I can't wait to share it with you guys. Big pour. Oh, I toasted myself. Happy Friday, y'all. We checked in at 10 a.m. in the morning and we were already drinking wine. And by we, I mean my sister. Oh, wait, your glass is empty.
It is. You've been drinking all the wine without me.
Cheers.
Cheers. You don't have to cheers yourself. No.
I don't have to cheers myself. This is the only sound I want to hear all weekend. Okay, so we just checked into a winery at Chateau Elan. And the property is absolutely stunning. And we have a full weekend.
This is going to be very dangerous. The only thing that we did not plan on for this weekend.
What?
That.
The rain?
The rain.
Oh, yeah. You know what? The one thing about rain is like, you're never sad about rain if you're going to be indoors drinking wine all day. Okay?
I mean, yes. Cheers to
Cheers
that.
to that. Chateau Elan is actually in Georgia.
Yes.
My sister Sophie, she lives in Atlanta, but this is, what part of Georgia is this?
Brazelton, I think? Yeah, I think so. Brazelton.
Okay. So
sounds right.
just look for the biggest winery in Georgia.
Yeah, it's the most like famous, popular winery resort in Georgia and surrounding areas. So anybody who visits here or lives around here knows about it. Yeah.
So this is a big deal.
It's a big deal.
It is December 1st, so the holidays are starting. Yeah. Cheers. This is the best way for us to start the holidays.
Yeah.
Everything is very decorative. They got Christmas trees, lights,
I know.
everything.
They have a Christmas tree made out of wine bottles.
Like that's very unique. And we're going to take you guys with us on this weekend. It's very eventful, so keep up.
We're going to try to keep up too.
We're going to try to keep up too because, you know, we're going to be drinking all day. But yeah, no, this will carry you guys through the experience and we wanted to share it with you guys.
So let's go.
Yeah, let's do it. We're going to get in our robes and about to get in the hot tub.
Yeah, because it stopped raining for like a few minutes. It
did stop raining.
So we have to go to the hot tub. Yeah.
So I'm about to show you guys the hot tub right now. Hold on. So you can actually see the hot tub and the pool right outside our bedroom. We might actually have a good window of opportunity to get in there right now because it's not raining. Now we're on our way to the hot tub. This is the life that we're living at 11 a.m. in the morning. We're getting our towels. Oh my goodness.
It's cold.
It's a little chilly, but the hot tub will keep us warm.
I never answer to no, man, I still go, 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 yeah, go.
Right, we're in the hot tub. We had to have 2 attempts to get to the hot tub because it started raining.
We just came out and we were just about to get in the hot tub. And then it starts pouring rain and we had to grab all our stuff.
We ran back to the room and now we're out here. We're the only ones here.
Yeah. And the hot tub is obviously hot, but it's so hot. You know how sometimes it's mildly hot? No,
right. No.
Hot.
It's
okay?
perfectly hot.
Yeah.
We're out of wine. Hold on.
We're officially
officially out of wine.
One sip left. Wait, I need to finish it.
Let's go, sis. Let's go. That's it. We're officially out of wine. This is actually perfect because wine tasting is in 1 hour. I don't have my watch on me, but let's go get ready.
Before it starts raining.
Again.
Cheers.
This is the only sound that we heard all weekend. We're actually right outside the winery right now. This is the main winery building. and we did the wine tasting class over there. That was on the first day. Yeah. So we did the wine tasting class. It was so great. We learned a lot of things. Well, I'm actually holding my glass wrong.
You're holding your glass, Anna. It's like this.
This is a big no-no.
Yeah.
Okay. Everything that I learned went out the window.
Yeah, we forgot everything.
Now, it was actually my first time taking a wine tasting class, which is super surprising considering how much wine I've drank in my life. I must say, I learned a lot. We started off with a mini tour and they showed us where the wine is made and stored. And then we got down to business and we started the tasting. So we actually got to taste 5 different kind of wines. And we learned about the 5 essential steps, which is see, smell, swirl, sip, and savor. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, I would highly suggest for you to take that wine tasting class so that you can learn all about it. And then we actually did a cooking class right after that. Don't iron and drink at the same time, because you'll be in this situation.
What do you have to say for yourself?
We did a New Orleans dish, like a spicy seafood soupy bowl situation.
Yeah, I don't know what it's called.
I don't know. We don't know what it's called. We just know it was so good.
It was the best meal. It was the best meal I ever made with the help of the chef.
Right.
But it was the best.
You can take the credit for it because you cooked it.
Yeah, I made it. But we had the best time at this cooking class.
We did. So try to take like a cooking class when you come to Chateau Elan.
No need. We're good. Whatever you got going.
I love my tell people all the time too. You know, when I learned how to cook, dining out was something that people did occasionally.
Cooking class was so much fun. So this particular night, they had a New Orleans themed dish night, and they have different themes on different nights. So we started off with an avocado contraption for an appetizer, and then we moved on to our main course, which was a seafood vegetables soupy bowl. And then we even got to make dessert. It was a lot of fun, and I would highly recommend it if you're looking for something to do on the property. You would really enjoy it.
Yeah.
And then the following day we started with a meditation yoga class. And let me tell you, after all day of drinking on Friday, my sister was so funny. So we woke up and we're like, the meditation yoga class was actually at 10 a.m. in the morning. So we were up at 9 and we're like, we did all this drinking the day before. And then Sophie's like, they do know we've been drinking all day. We're at the winery. Like, they're going to take it easy on us, right?
Because sometimes the yoga classes can be so hard and
so
brutal. You're
intense.
basically in a workout class, and we were not.
They got you like in
we were not going to be ready
all
for
kinds
that.
of yoga positions, and we're like, no, it was.
Yeah, I did not want to be upside. Like, not that I can be upside down,
No,
but
no,
you
no.
know, like
Upside
you know
down.
what I mean. The downward dogs and all of
Yes.
that. We didn't do any of that. We just stretched.
It was just a stretching class.
Yeah.
It was a nice way to start the morning. It was a stretching class with a little bit of meditation.
It was relaxing.
And it was relaxing. So we did that for 1 hour. And then we did the spa all day. We enjoyed the spa. It's also on the resort. And
It's all in one building.
Yes.
So the yoga class and the spa and they also have a brunch. Remember? I'm skipping.
No,
things.
it's fine. We did the spa. They have sauna, steam rooms. We did a massage, a 1 hour massage.
Anna.
That brought us back to like what?
Anna.
We have a
Anna,
situation.
no. Get him out.
There's a flight.
No.
Does this mean we have to dump the whole wine? Can we fish him out? Like, what's the
Listen,
rules?
No, listen, he is still fighting for his life. We need
Sophie.
to get him out of here. Get him out! Okay, I'm gonna step away. Y'all, just don't worry. I'm gonna handle this situation.
She's gonna go eat the bugs. Are we allowed
Okay.
to drink that after? Just drink from the bottle. Here, you can have some of mine. I don't know. Whatever. Don't judge us, okay?
What do we do?
Anyway.
Do we Google?
Do we Google?
Can I
Is
drink
it-
a glass of wine that had a bug,
bug in it?
Technically, it didn't
Leave
die.
us a comment and let us know. Can we drink
Oh,
a
boy.
glass of wine after the bug swam? You know,
Would you drink
swim in there.
the wine?
Oh wait, I think I have a bug too.
Anna?
Oh no, he's
Okay.
from the outside.
Yeah. Your wine is the only wine we have left.
Okay, so we'll drink from this. We can share.
Where were we?
So we did the spa all day, and when you do the spa, they have a little brunch situation restaurant there. And it's the best, let me tell you. Because after the spa, you just go upstairs. And we thought we had to get dressed up. So we were going to do the spa, you know, relax. And then go get dressed up and get all cute for brunch. No, forget about all that. You get to have brunch in your robe.
Which we were very happy about.
We literally just had to walk upstairs. We had our robes on, and we didn't have to do anything. We didn't have to do our hair.
Yeah.
No hair,
outfits.
no makeup, no outfit, no heels. Just flip-flops and robes. We were in heaven.
And she's still holding her glass the wrong way.
I don't want. Oh my God, you're right.
Yes.
I thought you meant I thought you were judging me because I was still holding my wine. Oh, I have learned nothing. It just feels so weird for me to hold it this. I feel like I'm gonna drop it when I hold it like this by the stem. Like I feel like I have a better grip holding it like this.
But it warms up your cold wine.
You're right.
Yeah.
I've been drinking warm wine. Now we're just gonna finish this bottle of wine.
I'm gonna figure out what to do with this glass of
We're
wine.
gonna Google that.
No, you know that little saying, people be like, oh, more protein. You know?
Oh, true.
I mean, I took the protein out, but now what?
All right, so we're gonna wrap it up, and I'll see you guys on my next video.
Bye.
Bye. Just an update, guys. You can drink the wine if the bug actually swam in it.